Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Caribbean Catastrophe Risk Insurance Facility, which recently paid out US $91 million to Jamaica following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa, says it will be launching a new insurance product aimed at protecting the most vulnerable. The new initiative, called the Livelihood Protection Policy, is intended for individuals and small businesses that cannot afford traditional insurance coverage. The Georgetown, Cayman Islands-based organization says the policy will ensure that when the next hurricane strikes, participating individuals and businesses will have immediate access to funds to replant crops, repair damage, restock goods, and rebuild homes and enterprises. Chief Executive Officer Isaac Anthony says the initiative is about restoring dignity and building resilience while giving low-income and vulnerable groups across the Caribbean a better chance to recover and bounce back more quickly after disasters. Financial Secretary Darlene Morrison says the Ministry of Finance has been forced to revise the country's medium-term macroeconomic targets because of the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. Morrison says that real gross domestic product growth, or growth after adjustment for inflation, has now been revised to minus 4.3% from the original target of positive 2.2% for this fiscal year. She noted that the original inflation target of 5.3% has now been revised upwards to 9.5% because of the anticipated bump in local food prices. For the trading period ending December 5, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Trans-Jamaican Highway with 6,815,583 units, representing 29.84% of local sales volume. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 5,861,126 units, representing 25.67% of total sales volume. Edufocal Limited with 3,075,727 units, representing 13.47% of total sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On December 5, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $45.22 million purchased and US $50.22 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.92 per dollar, selling the US at $159.15 and buying the US at $161.07. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 49 cents per transaction, with selling at $116.21 and buying at $115.72. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.31 in profits, with selling at $213.46 and buying at $214.77. For the credit report tip of the day, as the year wraps up, this season can become a powerful window to boost your credit rather than drain your wallet. By reviewing your credit reports, directing bonuses or extra income toward lowering balances, setting firm spending limits before celebrations, automating payments to avoid late fees, and positioning yourself for January funding opportunities, you can turn December into a strategic advantage. With a focused plan and intentional choices, the end of the year becomes a chance to improve your financial footing and step confidently into the new year with momentum. In our funded and focused feature, a business incubator gives women founders the structure, clarity, and financial infrastructure that many early-stage businesses struggle to build alone. In the first half of the program, participants become fully compliant, bank-ready, and financially organized, steps that dramatically reduce the risk of business failure. When founders register their companies properly, secure a business transaction number, meet licensing requirements, and implement bookkeeping systems, they move from informal to investable. This translates into stronger loan readiness, cleaner financial records, and the ability to compete for procurement, banking relationships, and early stage capital. For sponsors, every dollar invested strengthens the economic stability of a business that is now legally recognized, financially trackable, and positioned for long-term revenue generation. In the final 6 weeks, the incubator starts producing outward-facing value. Founders build targeted funding lists, craft professional pitches, and create visibility and growth roadmaps. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.